The TVS Apache RR 310. A machine built for those who refuse to follow. For those who set their own path. For those who crave speed, precision, and control. A masterpiece of engineering, designed to dominate. The sharp lines, the aerodynamic fairing, the aggressive LED headlamps, it's a statement of power. A reflection of your passion. A symbol of your unstoppable spirit. At its heart beats a 312.2cc liquid-cooled engine. 34 PS of pure power. 27.3 Newton-meters of torque. Precision crafted to deliver an adrenaline rush like no other. The race-tuned slipper clutch, the smooth 6-speed gearbox, every shift, every throttle twist, perfectly synchronized for the ultimate ride. 4 riding modes: urban, rain, sport, track. Adapt to every road, every challenge. Whether carving through city streets or pushing limits on the track, the Apache RR 310 is always in command. The trellis frame ensures agility. The KYB race-tuned suspension absorbs every bump. Michelin Road 5 tires grip the asphalt with unshakable confidence. And with dual-channel ABS, every brake, every stop, is precise, controlled, and fearless. Step closer. The fully digital TFT display greets you with a wealth of information. Lap times, gear shift assist, navigation, ride stats, a command center designed for the modern rider. Born from the racetrack, perfected for the streets. The Apache RR 310 carries the DNA of champions. From the TV's racing legacy to the cutting-edge technology, this machine is not just built to ride, it's built to lead. The roar of the engine, the rush of the wind, the thrill of the ride. This is not just a motorcycle. It's an obsession. TV's Apache RR 310. Unleash the racer within.